Hello friends, welcome to our Engineering Graphics YouTube channel. Friends, in this lecture, we are going to solve a problem based on development of lateral surface of solid. We know that DLS is important in engineering graphics and it is used in sheet metal working operations. It is defined as when a surface of a solid is considered to be completely opened out and laid on a plane table, then this is called as a development of lateral surface of solid. Now, today we are going to solve a problem based on pentagonal prism. So it is a standard solid. So this pentagonal prism consists of two pentagonal plane, and these two pentagonal planes are bounded by a phi rectangular plane. So here is the problem statement. A pentagonal prism, side of base 30 mm, axis height 60 mm, has its one side of base parallel to vertical plane and nearer to observer. Draw development of lateral surface of pentagonal prism. Now here the problem statement is very easy, but one condition is given. That this condition is one of the base edge is parallel to vertical plane and nearer to the observer. Now we can see here the pentagonal plane. We know that the pentagonal plane, it's like that. Now here the position is given. One of the base edge is parallel to vertical plane and nearer to observer. Now you can see here this is the pentagonal plane, pentagonal prism top view. But you can see here in this case there are five edges of this pentagonal prism, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. No any edge is parallel to vertical plane. So this position is wrong for this problem. Now if you draw the position like that, you can see here. Here, the one of the base edge is parallel to vertical plane and nearer to observer. Again, this condition is not satisfied here because this line, one of the edge is parallel to vertical plane but away from the observer. So this is also wrong position for this problem. Now we will see the next condition. In this case, if you draw a top view of a pentagonal prism like that, so here observer is looking from this direction and here the one of the edge is parallel to VP plane and nearer to the observer. So this is the correct position for this problem. Now here if you cut this prism uh, along one of its edge, then we get a rectangular rectangular plane and five equal strips and five equal strips. So this is a development of pentagonal prism. Now here for this problem we required a front view and top view of a prism. So for that, draw the horizontal XY line. This is X, this is Y. Now here, you can see here, we want a top view of a prism like that. So here, below XY axis, draw a 30 mm line. Then mark a 72-degree angle from both sides. From here, you can see this is 70 and mark 72-degree angle along anti-clockwise direction, and here mark a 72-degree along clockwise direction. By using thin line, join these lines, join these 2 points. Now take a compass and measure 30 mm distance a compass and mark a arc on the 72-degree angle line. Similarly, mark a arc from this side. Now here, by using this method, we can easily draw a pentagonal prism. This prism consists of two pentagonal plane, bottom plane and top plane. So here the naming is important. So name the points. Bottom plane naming we can give A, B, C, D and E, and top plane naming is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the center of 2, 3. So we can find the center point of this prism. So find the center of 2 3 and center of midpoint of 2 3 and opposite side corner, join it. Similarly, find the center of E1 or AE and opposite side of this AEE, opposite side of opposite corner of this AE is C. So join C and mid of A. So here we get a point O. This is the center line. Now project all these points on xy axis. By using thin line, project all the points on xy axis. Give the naming. We know that bottom plane naming is 1 A to E and top plane naming is 1 to 5. So this is bottom plane, pentagonal plane. So this is A, this is B dash, A dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. So draw the thin axis first and mark a axis height. So here axis height is given 60 mm. Along the center line, mark axis height and complete a front view of a pentagonal prism. In the front view, we get a rectangular shape. Now from front view, if you look this object from front side here, we can see A1H, B2H, C3H as well as D4H. But this E5H is not visible from the front side. So by using hidden line, show this H. Now this D4H is visible from front side as well as A1H also visible from the front side. 2BH is visible from the front side as well as C3H also visible from the front side. This is the front view of this pentagonal prism. So this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. This is the top view and this is the front view of this pentagonal prism. Now friends, here this D4H is perpendicular to the XY. So here draw the line parallel to D4. So give the name, this is your A, this is your point 1. Now divide this XY or mark a arc on XY line. So here this is the pentagonal prism. So mark a 5 arcs on this XY line from A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here you can see when you cut this prism along A1H, we get a 5 rectangular strip. Now draw the development. Draw the vertical lines. These are the edges of pentagonal prism. So this is A point, B, C, D, E and A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. So this is the development of pentagonal prism. Now give the dimensions. Extend A line and draw the dimension line. So the edge of a pentagonal prism is 30. So 30 into 5 is the dimensions of development of this prism. Base edge distance of a pentagonal prism is 30 mm. Axis height is 60 mm. And above this front view, show the center line. You can see the complete solution of this problem. So friends, for this problem, practice is very important. So try drawing this problem yourself. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.